water done too. Oh my god. You alright?
Wagwan guys, it's your girl Nishoy
And Shanoy.
and we're back with another video. So today guys, I'll be doing the spicy ramen noodle challenge. Yes, I see this challenge going around on YouTube. It's popular, so I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna use the green pack, the chili pepper, and then I'm gonna put a little scotch bonnet pepper, maybe one scotch bonnet pepper in it. So this game is played. It's a race to see who first will finish it without stopping. Alright?
Team Shanoy.
Team Nishoy! Yeah. So we're gonna go straight into this video, but first don't forget to like,
Share.
comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump into this video. Woo, it's already hot out here. So I'm just gonna go manage away water. I'm just gonna jump straight into this video right now. So I went ahead and I did the ramen, as you can see. They're right here in the plate. And she has one, I have one. So we're gonna see who will win. Alright guys, so here in the cup we just have some water. I know we should have gotten milk, but no milk. Why if your water look more than mine?
Yeah, no.
You drink out some?
No. I don't drink out now.
Anyways, you ready? Hey, ready.
What's here?
Are they free? Are they one yam?
The apple.
Ready? So guys, she's a foodie. So yes, of course, she's gonna attempt to eat it first. Ready? Wait, no try with them. Wait, no try with them.
What?
You taste pepper?
I know.
You taste nothing. Guys, so this pepper, well, wait, let's go in further. And just so you know guys, I had put scotch bonnet pepper in it. So let's see how hot it can get while eating it. No pepper not in it, that's why shelly so. Pepper in it? No.
Pepper in there.
No pepper not in it. You can take time. So guys, it's spicy but not that spicy, you know.
What's here?
Wait.
What's here?
Wait no.
How you do?
Wait, let you go. Let you
Do
go.
what? Let her go. You're
Go for more pepper.
What's that?
Pepper na in it.
Come now.
The pepper na in it, you get more pepper.
What's that?
Wait for me. Wait, me take one more. Wait. Wait now. Boom!
Girl, stop it. What's ya?
So guys, just taste the pepper. Not good, man.
Hi, people. I'm almost finished.
Is this pepper? No, sir. Pepper na bonne. I'm lose a run water. The whole point of the challenge is supposed to be say pepper and me know pepper. But me I eat it. See the guys, pan red. Woo. What's that? Woo. You just feel it. Should I bring my spoon? Guys, apart.
I'm finished.
Why?
I want.
Watch me eat up this.
Might kill you. Might kill you. You look like you're about to pass out, man.
Guys, we take it back. The pepper.
I want. I don't feel so scratchy. Jesus. Right. Water done too. Oh my god. You alright? You alright? You sure say alright?
Look at that.
No, sir.
Finish. Finish.
I'm me first done.
Oh.
Bye.
Wow. So guys, excuse me. As you can see,
I'm the winner.
she outdone me today. But no worries, I'll get her back in another challenge. So guys, I think that's the end of the video.
Team Shanoy.
Team Nisha, go ahead and comment in the comment section. Team Shanoy or Team Nisha. Even though she won, who you think? Who hot still?
Hot.
I'm a good at flight. Anyways guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.
And remember to leave a comment in the comment box down below.
Yes, and of course you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links, the names will be on the screen down below. I'll leave it right below.
Until another time. Bye.
Bye.